Justin here, and today I've got another pencil portrait drawing for you. This time of Desmond, another one of my co-workers. I'm using two mechanical pencils as per usual, one with 2B lead and one with 4B lead for the darker tones. I'm going for more of a sketchy feel and leaving all of the pencil marks without blending in with either my finger or a blending stump. Starting out with parallel lines, closely spaced parallel lines for the softer tones, adding cross-hatching as needed to make them darker, as well as, of course, increasing the pressure on the pencil to make the areas darker, such as the pupil of the eye and, like here, his mustache and the dark shadows. So always concentrate on the eyes. Add a highlight if necessary if your reference picture doesn't have it. That just adds more focus on the eyes, which to me are the most important part of any pencil portrait. I usually go from upper left to lower right just to avoid smudging. But of course, I'll often go back and I'll use a pencil underneath my palm just to, again, avoid smudging. So as I do a portrait, I often will rough things in real quickly. But if I feel pretty confident with the proportions and everything, I'll go ahead and more or less finalize things. And then go back to see if anything needs to be touched up, corrected, make areas a little bit darker to add more contrast. And here I believe I made a mistake with the width of his hat, like right here. So I went ahead and I had to erase it and redo that section. Just a quick sketchy quality here again. And, feel free to erase as needed, just like I did again right here. And that's pretty much it. Take your time, get the proportions correct, and you'll get a good likeness. So thanks a lot for watching and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.